Hey, so I love IKEA. I have spent a lot of time there while trying to furnish this apartment. And because of that, I have lots of different items around the house that are from IKEA. So I thought I'd bring you around, show you the items that I have, rank them from 1 to 5. This is just my take on the items. You might have a different opinion and that's fine. So this is my couch. I've had it for around 3 years. It is a sofa bed. I have had friends that came over and have slept on this. It's super comfortable. You can actually choose what mattress you want as well, which is amazing. I think it has been discontinued now, but there is a similar one which I will put down below. But I give this a 5. I really love it. It's super comfortable. I even sleep on this bed sometimes. This sofa bed option as well is a great idea if you do live in a 1-bedroom apartment and you want people to come over and stay. You can just pull this out and then 2 people can stay here. It's not a problem. This mirror actually wasn't that expensive at all, but I really liked how it was the face and it was just like a little bit different than what I normally see. I do have a lot of mirrors around in my house. I don't know why. But yeah, I like the shape of this. This is the next item. So I bought this like a really long time ago, to the point where they don't actually sell this one anymore, but they do sell one that does change into a table. I do really like it. It's great for like small spaces if you need just like a little bit of extra counter space. You can do like crafts, stuff like that on there. So I also have these boxes. They come in different sizes. I really like these boxes. I have quite a lot of storage boxes, but these ones I think are my favorite. I have these ones also, but I don't know about these ones as much. They're beautiful. They're so pretty, but I seem to just collect a lot of crap in them. So these ones, even though they are beautiful, they don't make as much sense as the other ones. I also got these. I use them. They're fine. This box here, it's great. It opens at the top, so you can fill it at the top. But it also opens at the side, so I can just grab stuff. So it actually just comes out. This off for now, and it fit these boxes in really nicely. So this is the larger one that I have, and then the one you seen earlier. It actually fits a lot of stuff in here. I really enjoy it. This plant pot here, and there's one up here as well. They are also from IKEA. Honestly, I think they are just good because they're cheap. Like plant pot can be so expensive. This, it has a different texture here, and it's blue up here. It's fine. It's a vase. This here, also this, I need to hang it up properly. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere, or even like that or something. Oops. I spray painted this pink. It's actually normally like a greenish color, but I wasn't a fan of that color and it didn't really go with the rest. So I just spray painted it pink. I think it looks really nice. So this rug, I really like it. It is an outdoor rug, but which means it's just really easy to hoover up everything. Nothing gets stuck on it, and it's easy to wipe up any spills. So this actually also gets a 5. Of course, I also have this light shade. I think everybody has this light shade, to be honest. So I can change the color. I'll give it a 3. I honestly do think the plants from IKEA though are like so good. So when you walk into my bedroom from the sitting room, you walk in, the bathroom's over here, but I have this curtain to separate the rooms. Yeah, I really like this curtain. I like this scalloped edging. It lets light in and out. Yeah, I think I give this a 5. So when you look beside the curtain, you'll see that this unit here, I have used it for hiding items. So like I put items in here, hide them all away. I did use this a lot more before and in a smarter way, but it just doesn't fit as well in this apartment as it did in my last apartment. I think I give it a 3 out of 5. Yeah, it doesn't fit that much. I thought maybe even shoes, but it's too short. Yeah, so it's a 3. If you look up a little bit higher, you see where my shoes are. So this shelf here, it's kind of a tricky one because, yeah, I don't know if it's the way that I put it up, and as well because my apartment is so old, it doesn't actually go flush to the wall. Yeah, I'll give it a 3 as well. This is the second rug that I have from IKEA. Unlike the first one, I don't like it at all. I thought it'd be more like the first one where it's easy to hoover up everything and able to clean it very easily. But this one, if you hoover it, because it's so light, when you hoover it, the hoover is very strong, it just sucks up the carpet and the hoover has to stop. I don't like it. I don't like how it gets creased, how it moves so easy. I'm not a fan. I did have this in the kitchen because I wanted to brighten the place up. It was awful, so I moved it in here. And it is better in here because I wouldn't be moving around as much in here as I would in the kitchen, but yeah, I don't like it at all. Ooh, I gave this one a 1 out of 5. Believe it or not, this is one of my favorite products that I've ever bought in IKEA. Other than the sofa, this is the best. Like, I love it. It's obviously a 5 out of 5. I use it every day. It's always on. My allergies have got so much better because of it. It's really easy to change. So when it gets like too much, you just take this out and you can change it. And then there's also this, which does I don't know which one is which. One of them takes the pollen out of the air and the other one will help with the smells. It's just amazing. And also you can leave it on the floor like this, or you can hang it up on the wall either. And honestly, I think it looks quite nice. It's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but I like it. I do. I really do like it. This here is the wardrobe that I did get from IKEA. I really like this wardrobe because you can actually buy everything like separately. So when I first moved in here, I didn't have that much money. This here was in the as is section and it was just the frame, and then I bought the bar. And then as time went on and I realized what I wanted, how I wanted it set up, that's when I went down and I bought these drawers. So this drawer here, it's messed up. It's not right at all. The drawers were, I'm going to give the drawers a 3. They were a little tricky to put together. Not put together, but like to connect onto here underneath. So I'll give it a 3. And this one, it didn't seem like the bottom of it actually was large enough for this part. So, but yeah, this here is just the shelf bit that I just put over these. I do love it, but I seem to use this as my dumping zone. But I think that's more of a me problem than this problem. So the wardrobe with the drawers and everything like that, I would give it a 4. Just these drawers, no. I did forget this as well. This here is just like the spice rack. It's very, very versatile. I'll give it a 5. I'm just using it to hold my jewellery. I don't have that much jewellery, so it's perfect for me. This thing here is from the Ivar section. I don't know how you could call it, but I actually really, really like this. You've seen that I already have the table. I have this, and I also have this, but the taller ones inside my cupboard. I really can't say anything bad about this. It's cheap. It is pretty. I really like the doors and stuff. The fronts of them, it's not its fault that it's slanted. It's actually my apartment that's slanted. So, and I like how you can just like switch it up. If I wanted to, I could get like the table, put it in there. I can get more shelves and put it in there. It's just very versatile, very cheap. You can paint it, you can do whatever you want with it. So yeah, I give that a 5 for sure. I did just do my clothes washing, okay? That's why everything is so empty. But I do use all these containers to hold my clothes and make sure that they don't fall. I love these. I think they're amazing, so I will give them a 5. This here is my light. So I love this. It was a paper one. You can move it around, make it whatever shape that you want. It is really, really nice. The only thing is the cleaning and dusting of it is quite tricky. So I'll give it a 4 out of 5 because of that. I'll show you what it's like with the light on. I do have one that's colourful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.